All right, we have the MeterDog. We're about to do an install here at a restaurant chain, and you can check it online later who that is. But we're going to go ahead and do the install right now, so keep track of the time here. So Bruce, here's the readout unit. I'm going to put it in post meter as it goes into the restaurant. I'll set that up right now. As you can see, you want to put the unit on the meter so you can see the flow rate goes right by the meter. There is no cutting, no infiltrating with the system at all. And I can go ahead and put a second one on just for security reasons. Now this is done through a cellular network, and it's transmitting the data. As we speak, you'll note this is battery powered. It's going to be simply mounted here to the facility. Ordinarily I would mount it to the wall, but for the purpose of today and showing, I'll keep the unit. Again, the unit clearly goes from here, goes into the board, and we're now transmitting data about the usage of the water. And we'll start to see if we have any leak issues. With MeterDog, you're capable of quantifying leaks, in this case micro leaks. And I'm going to take an extra effort to make sure we just tie this thing down. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at konolabs.com. And thank you very much for your time.